Some people think forest pavilions is only a visual concept. It is not. Forest pavilions was developed as an architectural study and modular design system. The study includes 3 initial house variations: floor plans, sections, facade elevations, structural logic, exploded diagrams, module systems, wall anatomy, facade grammars, and a large body of exterior renders. But the point is not only documentation, the point is language, a limited number of elements, an unlimited number of spatial possibilities. The 3 houses, Radix, Arborium, and Integrum, are not the limit of the system. They are the first vocabulary. Forest Pavilions is designed as a symbolic architectural language for villas, retreats, and premium residential developments. The study proves the system. The license gives the right to use it. Customization turns it into a site-specific architectural identity. Forest Pavilions is not a generic house model. It is an authored architectural world.
This is the Architectural Mythologems.